Yeah, here we are, Friday afternoon. And another week goes by on the 1982 Westfalia camper van. So all the camper parts I've got out and they're in the other shop over there. And the side door is out and it's in the shop over there too. Been working the last couple of weeks on this body work around here and doors. So this week here was all about this door here, just on the window parts. And then I cleaned up and cut out the bad bits on this part here. Well, most of the bad bits, there's still some bad bits here, but I wanted to know the shape. So what I'll do is I think, don't know for sure, another hole there, how do you like that? I think that I'll try and get the basic shape of the outside done and then see if I can get the fit the inside to it. See how that works. And I'll leave an extra ½ inch, or centimeter. Where am I pointing? Yeah, down here. I'll leave an extra centimeter down at the end here. Fold it over and see if that'll go for this crease thing here. Anyway, that's it for this week, and I hope you enjoy it all, and we'll see you again soon. Enjoy this. Bye for now. Yeah, here we are, visitors from Ottawa, coming down to see what's behind door number 1. Oh, door number 1's not open yet, but behind door number 2 is the Porsche, and we're having a tour of the stuff. That's Paul, and this is Carolyn. Loyal fans that are
Absolutely.
on and all the time, follow everything I do
We had to see it live.
with bated breath. They came down 1,000 kilometers to see this stuff. The distance people travel is amazing. Anyway, here we are in the other shop. There you go. Yeah,
That's not the picture we want.
Porsches are difficult to get out of. Oh well. That wasn't the picture we wanted, but that's the picture we got.
That's it.
Anyway, there we
That
are.
seat looks very low.
It is very low.
It is low. And then
Yeah.
once you get them off the,
Yeah, so here I am, and working on the door. Still, nothing much has changed since last week, and it's Wednesday already. I've had some friends here visiting, so spend a lot of time with that, and it's not doing work. Oh dear. So I'll get this thing here stuck together. I'm still not decided how to make that right. It's not quite right. I might have to cut that out and put a little piece on top there to make it come down the right way. Where are we pointing here? Right here. Make that come down the right way. There, that's better. Okay, so I'll just do a little bit of work. I found out how to get these apart. There's a little clippy thing that goes in here, and then they just come off. So that's pending getting them off because it's pretty well on there forever. Yeah, there you go. So I did get that thing off there. Just a matter of I put a little wrench underneath there. It's squeezed in an 11 millimeter wrench like this, and then just did that a couple of times, and it popped right off. So that's good. I'll put it right there for future reference. It needs new things anyhow, or new struts. So it'll have new struts, but I don't have to take that bit out. That's good news. Yeah, so here I am. I'm going to what am I going to do? I'm going to do a little bit of spot welding right up in there with that spot welder thing. So I'll just hook the camera up here and just see if I can get it pointed in the right direction. Sometimes it's easier said than done, but that's pointing pretty close to right. Right about there. See? How's that? We'll see what happens here. I'll get in here somehow without wrecking it. And maybe all you get is my shoulder. I might get more than my shoulder. We'll just see. Right down here to it. And the heaviest welder in the planet. So this one here, I'll move it along a little bit past the point where I want to weld. I've marked points to make it look reasonably neat in here for this kind of welding. This is called spot welding. There it is. It goes on there, and you just, I don't know if you can see that from that side because I can't hold it on the other angle. But there's the weld right here. Now I'll move this along to the next one at this point. And I just squeeze these together. Put the spot weld down. Tighten the handle up and press the little button. Away it goes. Count to about 10. That's depending on how thick a steel you're going through. These all seem to be coming out pretty good. There. Those are now, that's all spot welded together. Whoops. So did you see all that, I wonder? Yeah, now where am I? Yep, am I recording? Yeah. So here it is. That's the outside done. And the inside done. I think you saw the inside. And it looks like it's not perfect on the inside, but the outside looks pretty good. So I'll be happy with that. Now I have to do this side over here. That'll be tomorrow's job. Yeah, so here I am. It's, where am I? That's the back door of the thing, right? So down here I did some work on this window ledge here, and that looks pretty good. You can see where I spot welded up on the top part there. Now I've got both sides, inside and outside, done. Now over here, this will be the next little project for today. Now it hasn't been too busy out here this week because I've had visitors here this week. And so not much got done in the shop on the van. Did a little bit of work with the lathe and fixing some motorcycle parts. But that didn't get filmed. Anyway, I'll just carry on today and see if I can get this thing here done. And then I'll move to the bottom of the door, which I'll show you after a while. Yeah, so my wide-angle lens disappeared somewhere, fell off. Held on by a magnet, so it's somewhere on the floor. I'll see if I can find it. Anyhow, thank God they're not expensive because I can just order another one. So, this bit here, I've opened it up right down to here. And I'm gonna I'll put a flange in here and button cut along here to make it fit right and nicely. This bit here I'll make the curve. I gotta clean up a little bit in there yet. And of course it was full of Bondo, but I think I've cleaned out all the yuck. So I'll carry on. Yeah, so here I cut a piece just and put a flange on it, just a little piece, put a flange on it. I'll put another little piece in there. And now then I button cut it in there. Now I'll just see if I can get it welded in to make it look good. Yeah, so did I record that or just imagine? Anyhow, I've got a piece that I've put a flange onto here to make that up there. I didn't cover it all the way down here, but I'll just get that welded in up to here. Then I'll spot weld it later on that part, on this part in here, after I get it welded down here. Okay. Yeah, now I made a piece. It's big enough to go around, but of course a little bit short here, but I'll fill that in later on the flat spot. This piece, now I'll have to get a piece to go in behind here, cut to that kind of a circle, and make it fit to here. I don't know whether I'll cut across here and here to make it happen, or I'll see if I can cut a piece to fit in there instead of this is good metal here. Yeah, there now, that's gonna fit in there okay. So now what I did was I bent this piece on the shrinker and stretcher. Then I cut a little piece out close to the same right diameter to fit on here, and that diameter is just the same as, lo and behold, the same as this diameter sort of thing. So it's easy to mark that on there and cut it. Now I still have to, I've only just spot welded it here, or tack welded it in 3 spots, but it seems to fit into that corner all right now. So I'll just go ahead and weld it. I'll take it off and weld it along here on the vise, clean up this edge, then stick it in and see how it looks. And then I'll weld it along there, and that'll get my body line in there. Yep, okay. Yeah, so there's that piece built now. And it looks not bad from this side. I'll be welding in the back, but I'm not going to do anything about that. That's fine. Nobody will ever see it again. Well, there, not a perfect corner, but it's not too bad. That body line is faint, but it's there. And then I have to fix up this bit right here before I finish, and this bit right here. I cut out an extra bit in there because it wasn't very good there. Now, this part here looks good. That corner there will pass. So, I'll just fix up that bit now. Where is it? Right here. And then I'll start working on the bottom, I guess. Whoa, where am I pointing? Right here. So, this is all pretty well set to go. And I spot welded it along here with the spot welder. So the back side of the door around the window is okay. I got to turn it around and have a look at the other side. Yeah, so now here it is. That's that side of the window done. That's, whoops, this side of the window done. And everything else is all right on it. There we go. I'll clean that off. That little tiny bit there, I'll clean that off right now. Yeah, time for a cleanup in here. Anyhow, I took the door outside to the outside here to get some of the Bondo off of it, and then I cut out the offending excuse me, I cut out the offending pieces along here and above. I saved all the pieces so I know what they sort of looked like before. These are pieces that they built and put in, so I'll save them and maybe use them for reference. I'll put them over here for now. Anyway, now before I move that door back in and before it rains on it again, I'll see if I can, oh, there it is right there. I'll see if I can clean up in here a bit, and then I'll talk to you after that. Oh, where am I here? There's a kitty cat right there. Tony, Tony. Anyway, here we are. Got some work done today. Did all right with the, where am I here? I've got the window portion put back together. There's still a couple of pinholes in here that I'll get to fixing. Then I went outside, cleaned it all off with a wire brush on the grinder, and then now I've got a table underneath here so it'll hold it up a bit, and I'm going to start working on fixing this stuff here. But that'll be for tomorrow, and that'll be for next week, because it's Friday today, and pretty well all done for the day. Just me and the cat left over. As I've said before, I think, I think I mentioned that I had some guests here this week. Paul and Caroline came and visited. So I didn't get too much done on the van. We did a little bit of work with the lathe underneath there for motorcycle parts for Paul. And then I did do some work on the doors, on this, just mainly this door here, I think. So that'll be it for this week, and just likely a short one. So just so you know, I'm still interested. Maybe I'm still interesting. Who knows? Hey, we'll just see. Anyway, there you go. Hope you enjoyed it all, and I'll see you next time.